Waylens is proud to announce the release of the Secure360 Wi-Fi camera, a breakthrough in automotive security. This innovative system utilizes dash cam features while driving and activates advanced low-powered sensors when parked. What sets this camera apart from others? It can provide 360-degree event detection for weeks at a time without draining an unattended vehicle's battery. The Secure360 is designed for any vehicle and every driver, from the daily commuter to rideshare services or families with young drivers. You can document an accident, preserve your driving record, or capture evidence of a thief in the act. The Secure360 Wi-Fi camera is available now. To learn more, visit waylens.com.